Afternoon, Peeper. Guess what? I'm gonna make some nice, juicy, refreshing juice, and I am going to use watermelon, and I'm going to use the rind or the skin from the watermelon. I already prepped the watermelon. Clean it up. Like, I cut off the outer skin because sometimes when it goes through the juicer, it's stuck a little bit, but if you want, you can also use the skin part from there. All you have to do is wash the watermelon really good. I usually put soap on my watermelon just to get it nice and clean on the outside. And then I'm gonna use some ginger. I have copper gingers right here, and I'm gonna use ginger. So, all right, so I'll show you what I do. So I have the watermelon right here. And then I cut it up into pieces, and I take the inside out, and we eat the inside, like, that's really good. Very, very refreshing. But I'm not gonna use the inside. I'm gonna use the outside. And I peeled like there. Just get off the outer skin. If you want to, you don't have to do that. And then I'm gonna put it into the juicer and make me some delicious juice. So right now I'm gonna juice the watermelon, and again I'm using watermelon, and I already washed and cut up the skin part on the watermelon. I cut off the outer green part of the skin, and I'm just gonna use this part, and I'm gonna put it into the juicer. And I also have some ginger. I use ginger. I have ginger, and after you're done, sometimes if you want to, you could add a little sugar or honey. You can also use lemon in there if you want to, and or probably lime. I think I rather lime. And you could use carrots, celery. You could put a lot of stuff in here, but today all I'm going to do is the watermelon rind and also the ginger, and I'll put some lime in there. So let me get the lime. I'll just squeeze a small lime after I'm done in it. So, okay, it's gonna make some noise because I'm gonna use the juicer. So here we go. Just put copper pieces in there, and then we turn it on. After I'm done with that, I have this bottle over here where I'm going to pour it in. So I'm going to pour it into my bottle. I'm going to pour it in the bottle. And I'm going to do some more. And I'm going to add the ginger in and everything. And if you like this video so far, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Also, I just want to thank all my old subscribers, that keep me going, and my new subscriber, thank you, and thank you for coming on board. Love you guys. Okay, I'm gonna juice some more. Okay, I'm gonna pour some more. As you can see, I'm putting in the last piece of watermelon rind inside there. I'm gonna make some noise for the last time. Okay, and now I'm gonna pour it out. Pour it out. There we go. I'm gonna add some lime to the water, to the juice. I mean, have you guys ever make watermelon juice from the rind of the watermelon? If you do, please comment below and let me know. And for summertime, it's really refreshing. So I'm cutting the lime and I'm gonna just squeeze the lime in there. And again, you know, you can add sugar to it if you want, or honey, or you can drink it just like this. It's very refreshing. I'm gonna put the cover on, give it a little shake. And pour some in the glass. So this is the watermelon. Drinking. And it's really fresh with the lime and the ginger and the watermelon makes it really fresh, like refreshing, I should say. Really good. And last week I did some benefits of watermelon, and this juice, it's one of the better or the best benefits from the watermelon. I mean, the skin is always the best part. So thank you for watching today, and please comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you. So this is what I got from it's a very small watermelon. This is the juice I got from all of that. And in here, it shows all the pulp, and I mean, looks like this. And this you could probably take it outside if you have like a garden and just put it in the garden. Very refreshing. And it's very spicy with the ginger in there, but it makes a great drink. So go out and enjoy and buy watermelon and take it home and juice.